Clothes can be an armor to conquer their aspirations. Clothes can be freedom and liberation. Clothes can be a cultural identity and heritage. Clothes can transform. It is a flip between fabric and fashion.
We make sure that our production process goes through a great deal of technical expertise. And we stick to strict quality control matching up to the latest styles in the industry.
Flip from yarns to precious clothes. Knitting is a skillful technique transforming yarns into fabrics. Our knitting unit, as you can see, has all state-of-the-art technologies and is capable of producing high-end outputs in an extended range of fabrics. Here, our employees work in a collaborative environment, supporting each other, sharing knowledge, and collectively working towards a common goal. We support and acknowledge all the dedication and emotional investments that our knitters bring to their work. Our knitters are our fashion initiators. Flip from dyes to designs. This is the place where all our fabrics come alive. All the vibrance and charm a clothing beholds. It's so much of joy to witness the transformation from the raw shades of fabrics to endless hues of colors. Though there is a lot of effort and responsibilities that our dyeing technicians hold on to, at the end of their hard work, precision and attention to details make our apparels ease with breeze. Meeting at a point.
We always maintain a transparent communication with our clients to ensure that our output meets the desired standards. Yes, here at Cotton Park, it is important to remember the cloths that we knit have a deeper meaning. People around the globe connect to us through the strands we knit. Every garment we make will have a story of its own.
I always ensure that our final product matches with the client's expectation.
This is the place where your clothes take its shape. Lengths and breadths spread across continents, we cater to the specific demands of our clients and their brands. Trust in people. Our employees take pride in the efficiency and quality of their work. Their outputs have always been overwhelming and rewarding. Textiles have unique power to bring people together. Like in our sewing unit, we have exceptionally skilled people who can combine technology and craftsmanship to bring out designs that can truly enrich our clothing experience. As we have been talking about how each of our garments are specifically tailor-made, it is understood that no compromise shall be made at our quality check department. We don't treat our textiles as mere fabrics. They uplift, comfort, and inspire. Here, textiles are given its finest touch. Each texture of fabric can evoke specific emotions. The cozy familiarity makes the fabrics whisper the stories of our people, whose precision of work helps us to stand out as the most sought-after textile manufacturer. Here, it's a lot of sentiments, as our garments are all perfectly packed to bid adieus. Each of these boxes are ready to fly for its destinations. These textiles carry memories and stories, connecting us to our buyers.
Oh wait, here are a few additional values that we have.
This is also adding uniqueness to your style statement. There are certain trends that can connect experiences and associations, like the cartoon characters for kids is a sense of pride and joy. This is all purely personal preferences. At Cotton Park Clothings, we make our garments with a lot of love and care. Here we create unique personalized designs. We have a fusion of traditional and modern approaches, leading to innovative and visually stunning outputs in embroidered pieces. Here at Cotton Park, we strongly believe that a fabric is more than just a material. They have an ability to touch our hearts and evoke deep feelings and emotional connections. Cotton Park Clothings, the reliable garment factory.